Hello children, today you have to meet my friend the monkey. Monkey starts with letter M. The letter of today's session is M. Letter M makes the sound All you have to do is join your lips, put your hands on your tummy, rub your tummy and say Mama and Daddy make many meals. Yummy meals. Or you can also remember the sound of letter M with this song. We are marching on the moon. We are marching on the moon. We are marching on the moon. Is the sound of letter M. This is our Mama M or the capital M, also called the big M. This is our baby M or small m or lowercase m. And both these make the sound Yes, rub on your tummy and say We are marching on the moon. We are marching on the moon. We are marching on the moon. So this is how letter M makes its sound. And monkey. Now let's learn some words with letter M. M for monkey. Monkeys munch on bananas. Munch. Monkeys. M for moon. Moon comes out in the night. Moon. Milk. Milk. We all should drink milk. Letter M. Milk. And then comes mouse. Letter M. Mouse. Mouse drank all the milk. Then comes magic. Magic. And mountains. Mountains are so big. So many words with letter M. Letter M makes a sound Don't forget. Now to learn more such phonics and sounds of letters, keep following us. Don't forget to subscribe. And to learn all these concepts in details, click on the link below and download the app. See you later. Stay tuned.